The Westminster Bridge coming up to it.
North Walpole? Yeah.
Oh, he didn't know that section.
No, he didn't.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah. Took me,
Man, I floated that.
I know, it took me a second to put that
I
together.
could probably give you a guided tour on there.
So yeah, it's Craig Dweller here again. So Justin from It's Good in the Woods and his cousin Chris and I are up here on the a section of the Connecticut River. We put in the Walpole, New Hampshire area, and we're gonna be taking out in the Hinsdale area. It's like a 32-mile stretch. It's just wide and narrow, and we're doing some fishing, just chilling. The weather couldn't be better. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm maybe later tonight. But yeah, we're just chilling. Gonna cook up some good food as usual. Have some delicious libations and just have a good time. Just chill weekend, nothing serious. And it's cool. I've never paddled actually on the Connecticut River. This is the first time, but it's really cool. I want to do some of the sections of the upper Connecticut River at some point, but not in this boat. Not in this boat. Oh, Justin just got a fish. So I'm gonna put this camera down and go check out, see what it is.
Good eating fish, but I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't have a tape, so we're probably just gonna let it go. Hey? Yeah.
Justin with the walleye.
Walleye, baby.
That's a nice fish, dude.
That's borderline.
I don't know. I mean, I don't have anything to measure it with, and I don't wanna.
I wish I did.
Yeah, it is what it is. It's a beautiful fish, though.
Beautiful fish, dude. I'm super pumped about this, guys. Walleye are kind of,
Got it on that jig, on that soft tail jig.
Oop.
Nice.
Look at that, guys. That is a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Huh?
It's nice. Got on a jig, a purple.
That thing, look at its teeth,
pink
man.
jig.
Look at its teeth. I don't know if this thing is a predator. I'm gonna let it go. I want to eat it so bad, but we don't have a tape, so I don't. Come on. Oh, there he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Gone. Nice job, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, it's good in the woods, good on the water.
Woo! Good in the water, baby.
So this is our campsite for night one on the Connecticut River. Yeah. Huge open area. That's poison ivy. That's poison ivy, for sure. Or is that a maple tree?
I don't know.
Nice. Nice. That was a sweet paddle, guys.
Yeah, that was fun.
It's not bad at all.
Not too hard, not too easy. Only 10 miles.
And just caught a nice walleye.
Yeah, that was awesome. I've never used this tent before, so
What is it, man?
we'll see. It's the Pomali.
Mm-hmm.
It's their newest lightweight tent.
Nice.
Forget the name of it. Starts with an H.
Right?
I think.
I love the color right off the bat.
It's got a
Beaut-
good vegetable. Look at that.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
All kinds of undercover space.
I like
You got enough room in there.
I like that it doesn't have a cap, the removable cap, for that heat ventilation.
That's
You know,
true,
that-
yeah.
I like that a lot.
But it does come with a cap, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Otherwise it would suck in the rain.
Right? That would be bad.
Yeah, it would.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Comes with a cap.
Really cool. And the inner was extra? Or does it come with this tent?
It was sent to me with the inner.
Gotcha.
I believe the whole package comes as it is with the inner.
It's really cool. I like it. The inner space is like very similar to that Lunar Solo, man. Right?
Yep.
We're just looking at it.
Yeah, that's not a bad size
Yeah.
tent.
Yeah. And in the fall, you wouldn't need to use the inner, right? You could
Exactly. Just like
Yeah.
our mini peak XL.
Right.
Yeah.
And that wraps right around, right? Does it fucking seal right up?
Oh, yeah,
It's got
there's-
Velcro on
there's
it right
two-
here.
And
Nice.
zippers.
Yeah.
Doors.
That's a neat tent,
these
dude.
shut.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's nice looking.
It's really nice.
Right, and there's stove jacks. I mean, this is my first time ever setting this up. I didn't even bother to test it out at home. I just
Right? And I saw you take it out of the box
had
right up there.
faith in what I was told and what I've seen, and just decided to bring it on this canoe trip to try it out. And
That's how you really test gear, though, brother, right?
it is, and honestly, I mean, we were supposed to get some pretty gnarly thunderstorms tonight, so I thought that the room would be nice instead of a small solo tent.
Mm-hmm.
It's just fun to try new gear. and,
Absolutely.
I obviously have some tweaking to do, but my initial impressions are they're pretty solid.
I'm impressed. I haven't really looked at it closely, but just from behind the camera here, it looks really cool. I love the way it opens up on both sides. That's really cool.
I like that a lot as well. And this actually is
Oh, look at that.
right. I mean, you can really open this thing up, I think, by the looks of things here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's yeah,
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
which is the way I want it tonight, right? Because I mean, I'm spitz and I'm sweating.
Yeah, it's pretty humid, man. That's what I would do. The ultimate airflow right there. What do you think, Chris? Yeah? Yeah.
But actually, it
That's
looks like
interesting.
this would
That's really cool.
come out as well. Okay, I think I'm starting to maybe get it.
Oh, you can open that peg right
Whoa.
up.
That's cool.
That's really cool, right?
Yeah.
I get it.
That's fresh air right there.
Oh, yeah.
Neat. Neat.
That is cool. You know what also is cool? Is this sunset. Wow. That's freaky.
That's pretty good looking tent. $175.
Look at that.
Seems like a pretty solid deal to me.
Dude, 170 bucks. That's a nice tent. And it's versatile, you know what I mean?
It seems to be. Honestly, I mean, yeah.
We'll kind of go over the top, but looking at it, number one, great color.
Yep.
Nice inner mesh, bathtub floor, multiple setup options. 170, 180 bucks. Come on,
And
man.
this thing's a hot tent,
Right.
right?
Yeah, I didn't even talk about the jack.
It's got a stove jack, and then obviously this.
Yeah. There you go.
Right, and I've got the stove jacks over there, which I mean, just to demonstrate that I've never set this up before. I mean, there's the stove jacks right there.
Still wrapped up. That's cool,
So
man.
it's got good breathability for the summertime, and you could put a a stove in it in the winter.
Absolutely.
And this whole thing weighs 5.5 pounds, 5.7 pounds, I think.
How can you beat that?
With the inner.
Right? And look at that door on the inner net. It's humongous. A lot of times those net shelters, the door's awful. That's huge.
I'm pretty happy, I think. We'll see, right? But
Yeah.
my initial impressions are I'm kind of impressed.
Awesome.
This seems pretty versatile.
Homily for the win.
Pomale.
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 That too.
Thank you, Rocky.
Right on.
I like spinach no matter how it's cooked. Cook that shit down, fucking serve it to me raw, I don't give a fuck. Camp food, yeah.
Homemade hot sausage, peppers, onions, jalapeno sauerkraut. Oh yeah, brother. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Good stuff.
I didn't even bother with a big tank of hot last night.
Beautiful morning.
Sure is.
So, yeah, crag dweller here. Slept really good. Looked like a rock, actually. Tried to do some fishing today. And again, I'll keep you posted as to the day's events as they occur. So we're off. Boats are in the water. Lines are in the water. Heading out. Justin's got another nice little bass over there. Cool. Check out this floating net from Goture. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so this net, the good folks at Goture Fishing sent me this net. It's floating, see? So if you ever drop it over overboard or downstream or whatnot, obviously it floats. It's got some flotation fabric here. Not really sure what it is, neoprene maybe. But it's a nice size net. And I just use it on that smallmouth fish to show you the net, but hopefully we'll catch some bigger fish later on. It does come with a nice bungee cord type snap-on lanyard, if you will, that I just have hooked back on itself now because I don't really need the lanyard engaged right now. But yeah, the good folks at Goture Fishing sent me this, and it's a nice net, reasonably priced, and it's got a nice net mesh to it too, so treble hooks and fish hooks don't get caught in it real easy, and it's safer for the fish too. It's got a nice flat bottom on it. Very nice. Very nice. And it floats. That's a really unique feature. I really like that. Check them out. So yeah, we're making good headway. It's super hot. Super hot, it's like 90 degrees. There is a breeze and I'll show you, we got a headwind we've been fighting against all day. We're going downstream, but the wind's blowing upstream. It's all good though. Check that out. Hot. See that hawk? There was a red-tailed hawk over there eating something on the shore. All right, night two. Like I said earlier, after a rather long, hot day, we paddled, I think, close to 17 miles today. And the wind we had a headwind in our face, even though we're going downstream. We had a headwind all day, hot as hell. But you know what? It's worth it. Look at this awesome campsite we secured. It's huge. The only thing I'm worrying about, and I'm not super worried because I know what it looks like, but the whole perimeter of this campsite, the poison ivy, it's everywhere. But that's all right because we're camped within this beaten down circle. Got the Lunar Solo, and Chris, Justin's cousin's got the Kelty Circuit 2 going on. It's a great tent. And Justin's rocking the Pomely, the new Pomely, hot tent actually. But it comes with no, it doesn't come with an insert, but he's got a bug net insert for it. Really cool. I'm really impressed with this tent. What's the model number, Justin? Do you remember offhand?
It's called the Husan.
Husan?
Husan.
Husan.
Oh,
Who's on first?
Husan second.
Yeah, we got dinner going. Justin's got some chicken and all kinds of fabulous fresh grown vegetables. Some Idahoan potatoes ready to be eaten to go with it.
It might be called the Husar. I can't remember.
Husar? It's all right. It's on their website.
Starts with an H.
H, right?
It has two S's.
Well, it's on their website, the Pomely website. It's an awesome tent so far. Yeah.
Got a little ash on, man.
It's time to eat, man.
Getting pretty fucking sore towards the end. 20 miles might be about what I want to do, and that's no more start in the morning and just hoof it.
So Had dinner about an hour ago. Delicious chicken stir fry with Brussels sprouts, red peppers, red onions, green beans I think were in there. Just fabulous. Nice teriyaki sauce with chicken, of course. And I made some Idahoan potatoes. Yeah, we're having some beers, just chilling out, sitting around the campfire. Although it's really hot and the mosquitoes, just like a light switch, boom, mosquitoes are in town. So luckily there's a light breeze, a little bit of a breeze, and it's all good. But yeah, good day of paddling, long day, long hot day. Like I said earlier, we had a headwind most of the day, but it's all good. It's all time on the clock, folks. Yeah, so we're just gonna chit chat a little more, have a couple beers, hit the hay. Peace.
Come back one more time. That's way better. Fucking way better.
All right, so we're leaving camp for a paddle out. We got like 2 miles to go to get out of here. Another hot day, but 2 miles to go. We'll be in our vehicles in no time. Had a great night last night. Ate some great food, some beers, good times, and yeah, had a real blast. What a fun time. And this might be the last video I shoot for this trip, so we can make some progress there. But thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace.